I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
Park on level ground and set the emergency brake before starting. Chock the front wheels and remove the rear wheels if replacing rear shocks. Use a 3/8-inch drive ratchet, 18 mm socket, 21 mm wrench, and penetrating oil for rusted bolts. Support the axle with a jack and a 2-ton jack, stand under the frame, not under the differential cover. Have new shocks rated for Jeep JK weight and travel ready. And keep replacement hardware and a torque wrench nearby for reassembly. Loosen the upper nut while the shock is supported by hand to prevent the shock from dropping. Remove the lower bolt with the 21 mm wrench while the axle is safely supported by the jack. Slide the old shock down and out, then compare length and mount spacing to the new shock to confirm fit. Compress the new shock slightly by hand, align the lower eyelet, and reinstall the lower bolt. Torque upper and lower bolts to manufacturer's specs, typically between 65 and 80 ft-pounds. Turn the steering to full lock away from the side you are working on to clear access to the upper shock mount. Support the lower control arm with a jack, then remove the upper mounting nut and the lower bolt. Remove the sway bar end link if it obstructs shock access. Compare new and old front shocks for reservoir clearance and mounting orientation. Compress or cycle the new shock by hand a few times before final torque. Reinstall wheels, lower the vehicle, and torque lug nuts to 100 ft-pounds.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.